Finding and reading ebooks. The library has thousands of ebooks that you can read online from anywhere. You do not have to be on campus. They can be accessed at any time and most have an unlimited number of users. You can find all the ebooks through our LibrarySearch system. When you go to LibrarySearch, remember to log in with your CCCU computing username and password. Then you can access and read the ebooks. If you're searching for a particular book, then just type in a few words in the main search box to find it. Generally, type in the author's surname and a couple of words from the title will be effective. If you want to see what books are available on a particular topic, you can just type the topic in here. So for example, I've typed in special educational needs and click on search. Keep your search terms quite broad. Under this Library Resources tab, you can scroll down and select the option under Format of eBooks. This will filter all the books that have just been found, remove those as a print only, and all these books that remain are ebooks. You can click on the title of an ebook to see a full record. I'm going to have a look at this book here, and to link out to it, I click on the blue button on the right hand side saying Link to CCCU ebook. This takes me out of LibrarySearch to our ebooks supplier. You're already logged in, but occasionally you may be prompted to click on the words Athens login or select login from your institution and select Canterbury Christ Church University. The library has a few different ebook suppliers. Most are supplied by VLE ebooks. You may also see a link here to Taylor and Francis ebooks or ProQuest, so the screens in the ebooks may look a little bit different, but they'll have the same basic functions. So this book is from VLE ebooks, and here you can read information about the book. And we can also see how much of the book we can download and copy down here, print allowance and copy allowance. It's generally about one chapter or 10% of a book. We have different ways we can read and access the book. We have the option to read, which just opens it up so I can read it online, or we can select download. You can download this book for 1 or 2 days to read it offline as a PDF. Most of these books are readable with accessibility software as well. If you download a book and the link expires, you can always download it again. But I'm going to select the Read Online option now. The book will open up, and now inside it there's different ways that you can read it. So I can scroll through at the top, page by page. Or I can use the menu on the left hand side. There's a table of contents, so I can jump to a specific section if I want to. There are more options down the left hand side as well. And there's a search box, so you could type in a word to see if it appears inside the book, and it will show you every page that that word appears on. There's also a dictionary if you want to look up a word definition, and there's an option that enables you to write annotations in the book and export them and share them with others. Across the top there are options to view the book, so I can make the pages smaller or larger using the magnifying glass. The option here, bookmarks, enables you to add a bookmark on a page. There's a read aloud function, so that will read the book to you. The printer option shows you again how many pages you can print from this book. So for this particular book I can print out 74 pages. That's however many times I access it. That's my limit for printing from the book. There's different ways I can scroll through it, and the settings option will give you options to change the appearance of the book. So for example, I could change the background colour of the page or the text to make it easier to read. You can click on the question mark help button to find information about any more of these functions. If I return to LibrarySearch and back to the home page, the library also provides some ebook collections that you can search. So for example, if I look for a book called Secret Teacher and click on search, you can see that this book says link to CCCU ebook Overdrive. This is a particular collection we have that contains fiction ebooks and audio books. You can get to the Overdrive collection also by going back to the home page, find databases A to Z, the letter O, and scrolling down and clicking on Overdrive. There's also a guide here as well. So within this ebook collection, you can see there's various curated sub-collections on different topics. So we have fiction, non-fiction, audiobooks, the Experts by Experience collection. It's very useful particularly for our health and social work students. And then further down we have collections, Inspiration for Teachers, which is useful, of interest for our trainee teachers, and also a children's fiction collection as well. You can download the app called Libby to read these on your mobile device. You can read these on your computer or you can read it on your mobile. It's worth noting that when you reference an ebook, it's the same way as you would reference a print book, using the Harvard referencing style. Look under the letter C to see a link to Cite and Write Our Referencing Guide for any information about citing and referencing books and ebooks. If you have any questions about finding and using ebooks, please do contact the library. We're always happy to help.